Hi, I'm Mark Tilley from Dirtbike Magazine. What would happen if four-stroke motocross bikes never came around? None of the teams were racing them. It was two strokes only. Well, we teamed up with Pro Circuit Monster Energy Kawasaki race team mechanic Jon Primo, and this is what we came up with. So here's an up-close look at what could be. Straight from the twisted mind of Pro Circuit Kawasaki race team mechanic Jon Primo. Thanks to the internet, we've all seen a lot of conversion kits that look good from certain angles and in static shots, but once you get up close in person, the design flaws appear like a sore thumb. This conversion is definitely not one of those. With a series of professional level modifications, the newer KX250/KX450 bodywork bolted right up, using a newer style subframe that actually housed a modified air box off the 2005 KX125. So it utilizes the boot that has a certain amount of air volume so that the engine would run correctly. The 2005 KX125 power plant was ported and polished to Pro Circuit race team specs, along with the A-kit suspension, front and rear, and the Pro Circuit triple clamps. The hubs were Cerakoted a bronze color and laced up to a set of black Excel A60 rims, and an oversized braking front rotor adds to stopping power. The exhaust is race team issue, spec'd out to the specific engine modifications. The carbon fiber ignition cover, skid plate, and rear chain guide are all provided by Lightspeed. And to top off the build, we used a set of team graphics that incorporated the Dirtbike Magazine logo. We gotta admit, this is one of the best conversion kits we've ever seen. And rumor has it is that this kit will be available to the public later this year. If that's the truth, we want two. So for updated availability on this kit and all the latest off-road industry news, stay tuned to dirtbikemagazine.com.